Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Rachel Ray here, and today I have an unboxing for you. Lina's here with me as well, so you might hear her in the background. Today's actually comes as a gift from the Sophie Beauty store on AliExpress. I won one of their giveaway raffles because I had made some purchases in their shop. They invited everyone who had made those purchases to share their order form on their Facebook page. And because we did that, they gave us numbers for every dollar spent. And I don't remember how many dollars I spent, probably like around 20. But that would have given me 20 numbers in, whatever range I wanted. And essentially I won. I was drawn. So I'm going to go ahead and link their Facebook page down below, and also link the painting that I chose down below so that you can get it for yourself. But I'm really impressed with how this particular company, factory from AliExpress is reaching out to their customers or potential customers on Facebook. And I've had pleasant experiences with Moon Crescent in the past. Sophie Beauty is a sister store for Moon Crescent, so they all kind of work together, if you know what I mean. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. I hope everybody is having a wonderful afternoon. I know I am. I hope I didn't poke too hard in there. This came very well packaged. I'm not going to turn it over because it has my address on it, and I'm not comfortable sharing that online. But I just wanted to address something really quickly, which is that I have been putting a name stamp down here. And I'm sure, or a watermark, if you want to call it that. And that is because quite a few of my videos keep coming back as copyright claimed. People are very vigilant in letting me know that other channels have been ripping my videos and uploading them in hopes of attaining more viewers or subscribers. So that's why that's there. I've tried to make it as unobtrusive as possible to my subscribers, so I apologize to you all, but it's just to protect the channel and the content and not encourage stealing of videos. So that's why it's there. Anyway, this came in the box. It's slightly water damaged on this side, which is why I was able to squish through it. It doesn't look like it cut through anything. Let's just double check. I've never gotten this box before. It's not as sturdy or covered in plastic, but I'm glad it's not covered in plastic because those won't biodegrade. Very nice. Okay, so my canvas is a little bit wet. It's just the corner, I think. I've never had that happen to me before. Let me just, it smells a little bit strong, but I don't think it's, I hope it didn't affect the canvas anyway. Here's the picture that I got. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and insert the picture as well, because even with all my lamps on, you're not going to be able to see that on the canvas. It is a 50 by 40. And it has, well, I'll tell you how many, because most people really like my counting when I speed it up. Maybe I'll do it again just for the cracks. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37. 37 colors all together. So I hope you enjoyed that. I like editing that as well. It's just fun for me to do. This is the picture as well. I know, the glare is very bad. Let me take it out of the plastic. So, crinkle alert. Wow! It's such a beautiful painting. So what happened was I actually have had this image in my wish list for a very, very long time. I'm going to straight up say, I have no idea who this is from. If you know, or if you feel like researching, you can link them down in the comments below, and I will pin the first comment who can find the artist for this. And if they have a gallery or anything like that, if you want to link it, that would be awesome. But this, I saw this all over AliExpress, and I am a Pisces. I strongly identify as a Pisces, so yes, I bought this to symbolize my own personality, but also because of the color. Come on. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute, but those colors are amazing. Okay. I promise I will look at them in a minute. So we got a toolkit. We've got the pen coming out the bag. It's had a long journey, y'all. We have a Mosfa boat, which is a white boat with a funnel, some wax, pink pen with a 3-placer, bent tweezers, and 4 baggies. So not too bad. Basic, but not that basic. I consider basic like the green boat with no funnel or cutout. I find them very difficult to use because I always over pour my diamonds into the tray. So there's always diamonds like that I have to put back. You get me? So the funnel makes it that much easier for me to put back into the containers. If you're putting them back into like large mouthed Ziploc baggies, then it isn't so difficult to use those green boats. Okay, sorry, my husband walked in and he had a podcast on. I was like, no, not today. Okay, so it comes wrapped on a foam roller, which is awesome. It's great protection. So you can see it's held the shape. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to do an experiment. Yep, I'm doing the experiment. I'm going to let this rest. And I'm going to let it rest. I don't know how long. We'll see. I'll let you know when we cut back, but I'm going to let these chill out while I do the inventory, and I will come back and show you the canvas after all that. And I know as a YouTuber, I purposefully look at the canvas first because most people don't stay for the inventory, but today I kind of feel like having a little bit of a chat. So I will put in a timestamp right here. Skip to this mark if you wish to skip all of the inventory and the chatting and everything. Just so you know. And you can see the canvas after it's relaxed for a while. Welcome to a new camera angle. So today, I just want to do something different because I am always fast forwarding through my inventory. So thank you for sticking around if you are here. And again, if you don't feel like it, just skip ahead. It's fine. It's no big deal. So we have here all the symbols and it tells you how many bags you have, or you should have. But if you notice on this sheet, they have not just check marks, but also slashes. So it's possible that they had to double check and make sure everything is here. I love these colors. Again, like the geode, this is a lot of purples and stuff. So I'm really excited to get into this one and show off all the colors. Now, I don't really have time right now to go in and tell you every color, the exact color that it is. But if you're really interested in that sort of thing, please do that. It's very nice to know what you're getting and what color it is. So first up we have 209, and 209 is this pretty like lilac color. It has a third bag added with tape to the others. And it says we need 3, let's see, 209, 209, 209. It says 2 bags, but I got 3. So, +1. Awesome. 208. I wonder if they're in order. 3. Perfect. Ooh, what's this one? 550, of course. See that one? Lovely. Such a beautiful color. There's 6 bags of $5.50. Next we have 3021, which is like this army green color. It's always hard to show these because they're in the plastic. I can see a few bits of excess plastic, but I'm looking closely and I don't see any divots on the back. There's a few, all right, that are misshapen, but not in the old way. So 3021, 1 bag. I only need 28 drills. Oh, here we go. 3865, 5. They've given me 6. I'm telling you guys, I really like this store. They do give extras. 554, 1 bag. What's this one? 157. It's like a kind of like a blue, or not duck egg, but like what I would paint a laundry room. 157. Ooh, 818. Lovely peach. What's this? 156. And again, I'm looking at these drills. There is a anti-caking agent. I'm pretty sure. Like, I haven't asked anybody, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's like a little white specks inside. It's not going to pick up. It's too, the glare is too much. I wouldn't worry too much. I've heard some people say some pretty awful assumptions about that stuff. Wait, what color was that? 150, 158. 4 bags, yeah. Look at this. This is the 820. Holy static. Wow. That's a lot of 820. Let's see now. There's a few that have been overfilled. You can really easily tell the defects when the bag is like this. But there aren't any. Let's see if I can try. I don't know if it will show. There's no dimples on the back. My theory, and Heike and I, Heike actually is the one who was saying from the beginning that that was the cause of the problem. I was like, I'm not so sure. But she noticed it first, and it seems to be true anyway. Okay, so there's supposed to be 48 bags. There's a lot in there. You know, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt on that one. Ghost drills. What? Do you see that? No way. 327, 5. Okay, they gave me 5. But look, I got ghost drills. I'm gonna post a picture of that on Facebook. Okay, we have 210. Lovely lilac color. 3 bags. 340. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that lavender. Sorry, look at it. 340. 2 bags. So has all the purples. Exactly what I wanted. 336. Very dark blue. 336. 2. Very nice. 211. Very pretty. Today I am going to finish Nightbringer. I must finish Nightbringer. I just need to get it behind me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 791. So I have +1 bag. Very nice. This blue color. And then we have 792. Slightly different shade. Slightly lighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And 797, which is a wonderful color. So happy. 797, I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait. Oops. 797, 792. Whoops. Go figure, there's 7 bags of each of them. And I marked the wrong one the first time. All right, here we have a few. So we have this one, 3609. Kind of a peony. This one is like a hunter green, 319. $153. Did I count this one already? 500. It's this green color. Kind of reminds me of like a study. That's going to be on the lily pads. Okay. 3750 is what is that? It's like a dark blue gray, like a slate. 3750. And this is 939. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 939. Oh, and I only need 6. Check +1. And everybody knows 939 is as close to black as you can get without it being actual 310. And there isn't any 310 in this painting. It's lovely. I've had enough 310 for my entire lifetime. 535, the light gray. Oh, these are beautiful. 553. 1. I'm going to pause for just a moment. Here's 3746. Lovely purple. And 645. And a Luna. Hi. 646. No, 645, right? Then we have 844. There's also another green. 844, 1 bag. And we have this one, 819. Beautiful light pink. 2 bags. And we will have some big bags like 796. It says 17 bags. There are quite a lot of gels in there. Okay. 796. We have 935. 935. 3838. Wow, so vivid. I think that's what they call cornflower blue, maybe? I'm not sure. 3838, 2 bags. $36.08. 608, 1 bag. $37.87, another green. 1 bag. $37.99. More green. 1 bag. And lastly, have, can you guess it? Yep, this is 823. 22 bags of 823. Welcome back. So now I'd like to show you the state of the canvas. It's been about 36 hours or so, and what I did was I put it on a hanger like this, a trouser hanger, and I hung it from the outside edge and let it unroll itself using gravity. So I'm going to take off the hanger and show you, because I wanted to do this as an experiment, as I said before, and I think I figured it out. So this has been relaxing, and it's just the end where all the tension is. And now I got Luna's fur on it, but look, it's my dog, my problem, right? So this is obviously in 2 strips, and with this adhesive paper, it's really important to make sure that you press down on the edges so that it doesn't come up on its own. Now I hope that this hasn't done any damage to the canvas. We'll find out. I doubt it though. I'm just gently pulling, making sure I don't rip it. I am putting equal pressure on both sides of the tape and the canvas, all the way across. Okay, let's get the second strip. Again, rub that edge. And then pull it up. You don't want to pull the adhesive off the canvas, which can happen pretty easily, let's be honest. Now there's a tiny bit of overlap there, but that can happen. Wow, that actually looks pretty good. I think you're going to be able to get quite a bit of detail. I was worried about the fins of the fish. Let's see if I can, sorry if I get into the frame of the video. It's always interesting trying to manipulate around my tripod thingy. Try not to rip this all the way off. Okay. I'm going to lay it down again. I'm not going to go perfectly, again, because I'll come back to it in a minute. I just want to release whatever tension might be here. Okay. And that'll make it lie flat again. Okay, so there is one little ripple there on the corner. And another little ripple here. That's really not bad. Let me lie this flat. I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, my deepest apologies for the glare, but this is the best way I could show you the symbols. It is clear-ish. It almost looks like it's doubled, or that it's kind of like you're about to go cross-eyed. For example, the W's. You see them there at the bottom? It's like they're double printed. The pi symbol, Z, the little tree. Yeah. It's like the printer doubled over on those spots. So it was a gift, so you know, I'm not going to contact them and complain about it or anything like that, but I'm sure that was just an error in the printing of it and not an overall error in the store, if you understand what I mean, because I've ordered from them before and I've had no issues whatsoever. Overall, I'm really happy with this image. I think that the level of detail for a 30 by or a 40 by 50 is quite good. And I don't think I'd buy this any bigger, to be perfectly honest with all of you. I mean, I didn't buy it, I won it, but I got to choose it, you know? These days, I have chosen a lot of really, really, really big paintings in the past. Watercolor Kimono Woman being probably one of my biggest. I don't have a problem with big paintings. I love them. But the reality is that I have a lot of them. They take a lot longer to do. And so I need to have smaller ones in between to keep me motivated to continue. So I don't know if there's anyone else out there like me who needs a smaller painting in between their bigger paintings. I've talked to a few people about this and they agree, but it's just my own preference. So 40 by 50 is a great size. It's easy to find frames for a 40 by 50 here in Ireland. So that's part of the reason why I buy that size. It's easy to frame. And I've been trying to frame smaller pieces with foam board. I'm finding it really difficult. I appreciate frames so much more, and it's not, it's mostly just because I am very, I fumble with it, if you get me. So maybe I'll share more about that in a future video. But anyway, just to show you, thank you very, very much to the Facebook group. I will link them down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're interested in buying this specific painting, I'll have it linked down below. If you'd like to join the Facebook group where I won the giveaway, I'll link that down there as well. The description box is just under this video, so if you are watching on PC, it's where it says description, and then I start typing, and then it says read more or see more. On mobile, it's actually just under the title of the video. On the right side, there's a little arrow that you press, and that opens the description box of the video. You can find all of the links down below. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Join our Facebook group, Crafters Anonymous, with Mrs. Crochet and Coffee and Rachel Ray for more fun. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye!